So we're going to do scalene muscles now. Now, scalenes are an important component of arm carpal tunnel type pain because all the brachial plexus, as it comes through the neck, runs right either through or in between the scalene muscles on its way down under the clavicle, under the pec, on its way down to the arm, dividing into the radial, medium, and ulnar nerves. So we want to check the scalene muscles. We want to do anterior, medial, and posterior scalenes. So one of the ways to see the anterior scalene is to have them lift their head up. If you want to see the SCM, just behind the SCM is where the scalene anterior is, and you can work the attachments here. Remember, they're attaching to all the cervical transverse process. So you work your way from the cervical transverse process all the way down to the attachment of the scalene down to the first rib here. Now the middle scalene muscle, scalenus medius, is going to be right here, and then the posterior is right in front of the trap right here. So back to the medius, it'll be running from these same structures on the neck, transverse process, all the way down to, again, the first rib there, and then we're going to go from here down to behind, just in front of the trap for this posterior scalene, and it'll go down to the second rib, so it's going to be deeper. So to work these scalenes, you can work them in a milking fashion with the thumb, as I had, with the fingers, or you can start to do more of a pin and stretch by holding the muscle, stretching it across here, working your way from the neck transverse process all the way down to the attachments on the rib. You can hold the rib, hold the attachment at the rib, move them across this way. Again, pin, stretch it this way. Medius, pin, stretch it this way. The posterior, pin, stretch it this way. Or you can go into the active mode where you actually pin it, have them move their neck, rotate their nose, say, to their right side like this. You can show them what to do. So start here, make a good solid contact here, and have them move their neck over as you hold that pin. So you can do that with all the scalene muscles, medius, all the way into the posterior, and have them move it that way if you want to go into the active mode. So there are the scalene muscles.